Hello friends, welcome to Technical Trends. Friends, in this video, I am going to explain you what is regression analysis in machine learning. Friends, before starting the video, if you didn't subscribe to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel Technical Trends. Okay friends, let's start the video. Regression analysis in machine learning. Friends, this is nothing but it is a statistical method which is used to find the relationship between the independent variable and the dependent variable. Here the dependent variable is called as target and independent variable is called as predictor. And one more thing is here independent variables can be one or more. Simply it's a method which is used to find the relationship between the dependent variable and independent variable. Let us understand this with an example. Consider there is a company X and to advertise the company it cost about $90 and the respective sales are $1,000. If the advertisement cost is $120 and the respective sales are $1,300. If $150, respective sales are $1,800 as such. And if I ask you what will be the sales if the advertisement cost is around $200. So to find such predictions, we use regression analysis. Regression analysis is used to find the continuously changing variables. Here, as advertisement is increasing, the sales are also changing continuously. So to find such predictions, we use regression and regression models. To find this type of predictions, we generally draw a graph taking on y-axis one variable, some independent or dependent variable, and on x-axis one dependent or independent variable, and we plot all the points on the graph and we try to draw the different straight lines passing through the points, and here we get many straight lines, but instead of considering all these lines, we consider only one line, that is called best fit line. To know more about best fit line using the linear regression, the link of the video in the description. So to get an idea of what is a best fit line, go through that video, and with the help of that best fit line, we try to find such predictions. So there are many applications of regression analysis. We use this for forecasting, time series modeling, and to determine the causal effect relationship between the variables. As I already said, to find such predictions, we plot a graph and we try to find the best fit line out of the graph, and with the help of that best fit line, we try to predict the outputs. And next is terminologies related to the regressions. First is dependent variable. As I already said, dependent variable is also called as target. This is the variable which we are interested to find the value. And independent variable is nothing but the dependent variable depends upon this independent variable and changes accordingly with the independent variable. And next is outliners. Outliners is nothing but in the graph somewhere we get very less point and somewhere we get high plot. So such points are called as outliners. Whenever we are trying to find the best fit line, these outliners somewhat cause disturbances to draw a best fit line. So while finding the best fit line, we eliminate these outliners. And next is multicollinearity. Multicollinearity is nothing but sometimes the independent variables depends upon each other or correlated more to each other than any other variables. That is nothing but generally the dependent and independent variables must correlate to each other, but sometimes independent variables they themselves correlate to each other. So such condition is called multicollinearity. And underfitting and overfitting. Overfitting is nothing but if our training algorithms work well with the training data set but doesn't work well with the test data set, then it is called overfitting. And underfitting is if our machine learning algorithm doesn't even works with the training data set and even with the test data set, then that is called underfitting algorithm. Simply to say, overfitting is it works with the training data set but it doesn't works with the test data set. And underfitting is it doesn't work with both training data set and test data set. So these are the different terminologies related to the regression analysis. And next is types of regressions. There are many types of regressions as you can see here: linear regression, logistic regression, polynomial regression, support vector regression, decision tree regression, random forest regression, ride regression, lasso regression, logistic regressions. So these are the different types of regressions. Even these have their own importance in different scenarios. But the main point or main motto of all these regressions is to find the relationship between the dependent variable and independent variable. So upcoming videos I will be explaining you clearly what all these regressions mean. So keep track of my videos. So this is for this video. In this video I explained you what are the regression analysis in machine learning. It's nothing but to find the relationship between the dependent and independent variables. As you can see here, we generally to find that we draw a best fit graph, and with the help of that graph we try to predict the analysis. And the different terminologies related to regression analysis are dependent variable, independent variable, outliers, multicollinearity, underfitting and overfitting. And different types of regressions like linear, logistic, polynomial, support vector, decision tree, random forest, ride regression, lasso regression. So this is for this video. Friends, to get notified about my next video, please do subscribe to my channel Technical Trends. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.